The Epson WorkForce ES-60W is an excellent portable scanner that offers high-quality scans comparable to top desktop models. Despite its compact size and lack of a document feeder, it delivers accurate OCR and fast performance, making it a great choice for occasional scanning without taking up much space. Design. The Epson WorkForce ES-60W is a compact and sleek scanner that measures 10.7 by 1.8 by 1.3 inches and weighs only 0.66 pounds. It can easily fit in a bag or backpack, making it ideal for traveling or working remotely. The scanner has a simple and intuitive interface, with a power button, a Wi-Fi button, and an LCD screen that displays the wireless status and battery level. The scanner also has a single-sheet feed slot that can accept documents up to 8.5 by 72 inches, as well as ID cards and receipts. Scan quality. The Epson WorkForce ES-60W leaves a little room for improvement when it comes to scan quality, but not much. Its overall performance is above average, which we found incredible for such a compact scanner. It was only outperformed by the most premium desktop models we tested. Speed. For a device without a feed tray, it is still impressively fast. While I didn't expect it to be as fast as devices with a feed tray capable of handling large stacks of papers, I managed to feed and scan at a surprisingly quick rate. There isn't a better choice than the Epson WorkForce ES-60W for mobile scanning. It is light, fast, and challenges our typical thoughts about scanners by squeezing great performance into a small enough package to take anywhere. Once on a job site, it is incredibly intuitive and simple to use. Good software, wireless operation, and even direct scanning to the cloud make this single-sheet feed scanner one of the best in class for portable scanners that we've tested.